Welcome, I'm Ian Baker, and I'm guessing you're watching this video because you have a slide that is stuck and it happens to be a cable slide. Well, we're going to hop right inside and show you how to bring that slide in. So to bring the cable slide in, you're going to need three main tools. The first one being a drill. The second one is a flex bit. You can see the flex in it. This will come with your RV. If you do not have one, you're going to need to get one. The last part is this right here, which is a square number 3 bit. So this torque bit is actually what's going to go into the motor, and I'll show you that in just a moment. So you have two different options really of how to access the motor. The motor itself will be located right about in the center behind this fascia. So what I recommend, if you're in warranty, just remove this fascia. Makes it really easy to get to that motor, take it into the service center. They will put that fascia back up for you after they do whatever work they need to do. Obviously, because you're in warranty, it is covered. If you're not in warranty, if you want to take the slide fascia off and you want to re-brad nail it up, cover up the nail holes, by all means do so. Again, it will make it easy, and it might be your only option depending on your RV. But otherwise, what you can do is you can take this bit. Again, you'll kind of go in the middle of the slide, feel around for that motor, and then you will slide this bit in the back of the motor. I actually have a cutaway, and I'll go show you exactly what we're working with right now. What you're looking for is you're looking to take that square number 3 bit and you'll put it right here in the end of the motor. So again, if you're reaching over, you'll have to reach over and find that and put that in place. Once that is in place, you'll then take your flex bit, put that over like so, bend it up and around that slide fascia, and then put that in your drill. Now you'll want to put it, your drill to be going counterclockwise, like you are removing a screw, and that as you'll see, will bring the slide in. Once it's in, you're all set. You can remove it. That will allow you to safely get to a service center so they can diagnose what's going on. And there you have it. So that is how you run the cable slide in so you're not stuck out at the campsite. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button. Also, if you have a friend that maybe has an RV, family member that you know has a cable slide, this is definitely a video to share with them so they can save it and have it for the future. If you're looking for more how-to and troubleshooting videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you can be one of the first ones to see brand new content. Thanks again for watching, folks. I'm Ian Baker, and until next time, we'll see you later.